Visualization is a powerful mental tool that involves creating vivid, sensory-rich images of your desired outcomes. By mentally rehearsing success, you can condition your mind and body to take the necessary steps toward achieving your goals. This video is a comprehensive guide on visualization techniques for achieving goals, designed to help you manifest your dreams and harness the potential of your mind. Before diving into specific techniques, it's essential to understand how visualization works from a psychological and neurological perspective. Visualization taps into the brain's ability to simulate experiences. When you visualize an action or event, the brain activates many of the same regions involved in physically performing the activity. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, allows your brain to create new neural pathways through repeated mental imagery, making it easier to perform real-world actions. Research has shown that athletes, performers, and high achievers across various fields use visualization to improve performance, enhance focus, and overcome challenges. The brain's ability to imagine scenarios and rehearse them makes visualization a powerful tool for setting and achieving goals. A few benefits of visualization for goal achievement are: clarifies your vision. Visualization helps you crystallize what you want to achieve. By vividly imagining your goals, you're forced to clarify what they are and how to attain them. Boosts motivation and confidence. Mentally rehearsing success can make the process of goal achievement seem more attainable, boosting your confidence and motivation. Reduces anxiety and fear of failure. Visualization helps you prepare for potential obstacles and challenges, making you feel more equipped to face them. This reduces anxiety and fosters resilience. Increases focus. By consistently visualizing your goals, you keep them at the forefront of your mind, which increases your focus and ability to prioritize actions that will lead to success. Enhances performance. Whether you're an athlete, student, or entrepreneur, visualization can enhance performance by improving focus, timing, and coordination. It conditions your mind and body for success. The following are visualization techniques have proven themselves to be most effective. 1. The movie technique. The movie technique is one of the most popular visualization practices. Imagine your life as a movie, with you as the protagonist successfully achieving your goals. The idea is to direct and play out mental scenes of your success in great detail. Step 1. Find a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. Step 2. Close your eyes and imagine yourself watching a movie of your future self. See yourself achieving your goals, whether it's a promotion, finishing a marathon, or launching a business. Step 3. Add as much detail as possible. What do you look like? How do you feel? Who's around you? Imagine the setting, emotions, and actions involved in reaching your goals. Step 4. After watching the movie a few times, step into the scene. Become the main character, experiencing the success in real time. The more sensory detail you incorporate, sights, sounds, feelings, the more effective this technique will be. The idea is to make the experience as real as possible in your mind, allowing you to rehearse success until it becomes second nature. 2. The future self visualization. This technique involves imagining your future self in a state where you have already achieved your goals. It's about stepping into your future and embodying the habits, mindset, and actions that align with success. Step 1. Imagine yourself 1, 5, or 10 years into the future. Visualize yourself having achieved your biggest goals. What does your future self look like? How do you carry yourself? Step 2. Imagine a typical day in your future life. What does your routine look like? Who do you interact with? What kind of work are you doing? Step 3. Reflect on the qualities your future self has developed. Are you more disciplined, confident, or skilled? How did you become this version of yourself? Step 4. Use this future vision to inform your present actions. Ask yourself, what can I do today to move closer to becoming that person? This technique is powerful because it allows you to align your present actions with your future vision, bridging the gap between where you are and where you want to be. 3. Vision board visualization. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals, made up of images, words, and symbols that inspire and motivate you. Creating a vision board helps you clarify your intentions and serves as a daily reminder of what you're working toward. Step 1. Collect images, quotes, or words that represent your goals and dreams. These can come from magazines, websites, or personal photos. Step 2. Arrange these images and words on a board, physical or digital, in a way that resonates with you. Step 3. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it every day, such as your bedroom or office. Step 4. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself living the life depicted on your vision board. Focus on the emotions and experiences associated with achieving your goals. This technique works by keeping your goals in sight and in mind. The more you visualize them, the more likely you are to take consistent actions toward achieving them. 4. Guided meditation visualization. Guided meditations designed for goal visualization can be a highly effective tool, particularly for beginners. These meditations guide you through the visualization process, helping you relax and focus on your desired outcomes. Step 1. Find a guided visualization meditation that aligns with your goals. Step 2. Set aside 10 to 20 minutes in a quiet space where you can relax. Step 3. Follow the guided prompts, allowing your mind to vividly imagine your goals being realized. Step 4. After the meditation, journal any thoughts or insights that came up during the visualization. This technique helps you tap into your subconscious mind, making visualization easier and more powerful. 5. The as-if technique. The as-if technique involves acting as if you've already achieved your goals. This form of visualization isn't just mental, it's about embodying the success you desire in your daily actions and behavior. Step 1. Choose a goal you want to achieve. Step 2. Begin acting as if you've already achieved it. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, start thinking, talking, and behaving like a marathon runner. This might include wearing the gear, training regularly, or following a nutrition plan. Step 3. Embrace the identity of someone who has already achieved what you want. How do they carry themselves? How do they speak? What habits do they have? By acting as if, you align your thoughts and behaviors with your desired outcome, which can accelerate goal achievement. Here are a few tips for effective visualization. Practice consistently. Like any skill, visualization improves with practice. Set aside time each day to visualize your goals. Even 5 minutes of daily visualization can have a significant impact. Use all your senses. The more vivid and sensory rich your visualization, the more effective it will be. Engage all your senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, when imagining your success. Believe in the process. Visualization is most effective when you genuinely believe in its power. Approach it with an open mind, trust the process, and remain patient. Combine with action. While visualization is a powerful tool, it must be combined with action. Use visualization as a way to mentally prepare for success, but take consistent steps toward your goals in real life. Journal your visualizations. After each visualization session, jot down any thoughts, insights, or emotions that came up during the process. This can help you track your progress and identify any mental barriers that need addressing. In conclusion, you may have heard the term "all the world's a stage," but no one may have told you about your ability to set the stage. You are the creator and star of your own life movie. Visualization is a transformative tool that can help you achieve your goals by conditioning your mind and body for success. By practicing techniques such as the movie technique, future self-visualization, vision board visualization, guided meditation, and the as-if technique, you can harness the power of your imagination to manifest your dreams. Remember, visualization works best when combined with consistent action, so use these techniques to inspire and motivate you as you work toward your goals. Practice these techniques with the understanding that the subconscious mind does not distinguish reality from what you visualize and sets into motion whatever vision you focus on. Pay attention to your vision. Your attention is the price you must pay for your success. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Join our community. Subscribe to our channel, like this video and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced